Welcome to another video tutorial. In this session, we will explore how to efficiently perform a combined workflow for dose proportionality analysis. We will integrate non-compartmental analysis and dose proportionality into a single task, streamlining the process compared to our previous approach where we analyzed NCA and then exported the results to conduct dose proportionality analysis separately. To begin, click on Upload Dataset and select the dataset you want to use for NCA and dose proportionality combined workflow. After selecting the dataset, so basically what we are doing is we are using the same dataset that we use for single ascending dose NCA. Click Open and then click on Done to save your selection and prepare for analysis. In the next step, click on Run a new task and choose the option for non-compartmental analysis and dose proportionality combined workflow. This option, which is at the bottom of the list, allows you to perform both analysis in one go. Click Next to proceed. You will then need to select the dataset you wish to work on. The combined workflow includes a total of 10 steps. Once your dataset is selected, click Next to move to the mapping step. The mapping process remains the same as for a single ascending dose study. Choose the dose column as your grouping variable and click Next to continue. In step 7, you will find that the NCA results have been generated. And now click Next to proceed to step 8, where these results are automatically incorporated into the dose proportionality analysis workflow. Here, review the dataset to ensure it is suitable for dose proportionality analysis. This step eliminates the need to export and re-upload the data, so basically simplifying the entire process. Once you confirm that the dataset is ready for dose proportionality analysis, click Next and set your dose proportionality preferences. You can specify the reference doses, confidence intervals, and the methods as discussed in dose proportionality video. Choose the parameters of interest and click Next to proceed to the results page. The results page will be similar to what we covered in the dose proportionality video. Review the results and when ready, click Next, scroll down and click Complete to finalize the task. This combined workflow approach integrates both NCA and dose proportionality analysis into one streamlined process, enhancing efficiency. We hope you find this method useful. Stay tuned for future videos where we will cover topics like data wrangling and analysis of data from other study designs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.